Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to Life of a Dev. Today we're going to be starting our modding process. As was suggested by someone in the comments last time, we're just going to go through and make a basic mod. But mods are set up a lot differently than the plugins are. So what you need to do is you need to go to Forge, which I've already done, and since I'm building this for 1.7.10 for server, I'm going to go to 1.7.10 and you download the source. So I've gone ahead and already done that, and it's right here. And so I'm just going to extract that, no big deal, and went to my other screen. Then you get the folder. So you go into that folder, and then you'll see this. Now you just have to run a couple commands to actually get everything set up. So what you do, open a command window, then you run the command Cradle W, set up decomp workspace, and refresh the dependencies. Then you just wait for that to finish. And that may take a little while, but that's okay. We'll just cut back to when it's finished. Now as you can see, it says build successful, so that means you know it worked. And since I'm using Eclipse, I'm going to run yet another command. It's going to be Gradle W, you just say Eclipse. Now that's going to set up the Eclipse workspace with a example mod for you to start off with. And the reason that you make mods with Forge is because mods themselves interact directly with the Minecraft source code, while plugins just run based off from it. And so, if you open that up in Eclipse, which you point to in Forge, you put your workspace right on your Eclipse folder, and you see it says Minecraft. And you open it, it's got an example mod. It's got a bit more stuff in it than the plugins do, but don't worry about it, you don't use pretty much any of them. So this basic mod, just when it's run, will print out the name of the dirt block. And so, that means that we're ready to start our mod, which we're going to do next episode of Life of a Dev. This episode was just to introduce you to the idea of modding, to see exactly where we wanted to go with it. So I know it suggested that we just see how a block is made or an item is inserted into the game, but I want an actual mod that people can use. So go ahead and give me ideas for what you'd like. Right now, I'm thinking of making a Safari Zone Pixelmon mod. Should be pretty awesome. Alright, so let me know down below. Thank you, have a good night. Good afternoon, and welcome back. I decided that video was a little bit too short, coming in just 4 minutes, so I decided to go ahead and just play some minigames and kind of just let you guys get to know me a little bit. So, my name is Alex, obviously I stated that the first episode, and I am a computer science college student right now, and so I'm learning a lot about, well, everything. And so, throughout my time as a student, I've always had issues kind of trying to find information on certain subjects and good examples. And so that's why I decided to do this. I decided to put out examples for people so that they can go onto YouTube and see kind of how it works, learn, and then expand off from that with however they want to. And so that's why I really want to know what you guys also want to do, because I know I'm doing Minecraft stuff, and that's all neat, and I enjoy it, but I also do know a significant amount of other coding languages. So if you guys want me to do like Java, C, anything like that, web development, I'm currently making a website with Node.js. I'd be happy to explain how to make a simple web app and stuff like that. So if you guys would like that, feel free to let me know, and I will happily do that for you. Just have to let me know. Alright, thanks. I'll see you next game. Okay, and here we are again, back with the next game, and this will be the last game I'll play. I just wanted to extend the video a little bit, so you guys didn't feel like you were just getting nothing. And we may continue talking a little bit. And so, like I said last time, just let me know if you guys want anything different, anything special, and I'll make sure to get that done for you guys. It's not a big deal. I have plenty of time on my hands. I'm currently an intern working as a software engineer. I can't go more in depth into it for safety and contract reasons, but it's pretty fun, and that's why I'm working on mainly creating websites at the current moment in time. Oh, almost died right there. Try to win this game. My trick is to just keep moving around and then just don't stop ever. So that's when you can get targeted. Like that dude on the roof, which is no longer on the roof, which is good. I'm almost dead. And that is the game. So I'll see you next week, or later this week, with the first part of our mod. Have a good night.